ANC in KwaZulu-Natal has decided that all its members charged with serious crimes must step aside from their positions pending the conclusion of their legal cases. The party was briefing the media earlier today in Durban. Meanwhile, Harry Gwala District Municipality Mayor Mhlongo Ndobe will remain on the party's list to the provincial legislature. Yesterday, the Umzimkhulu Magistrates Court provisionally withdrew murder charges against Ndobe. He is third on the party's provincial list. And for more on the story, we're now joined by our reporter Ayanda Mhlongo. Good afternoon, Ayanda. Thank you for joining us. Tell us, how many, serious offenders are we talking about?
Good afternoon, Mahendra, and good afternoon to our viewers at home. Currently, at the moment, Mahendra, we are speaking about 3 offenders. That is after, of course, the decision or the news yesterday from the Umzimkhulu Magistrate Court, where Mayor Mhlongo Ndobe of the Harry Gwala District Municipality, his case of charges of murder were withdrawn against him. And as you said there in your introduction, that he will then remain on the ANC's list. And this decision that the party has now taken will no longer apply to him. He's also expected, as the ANC said, to as early as tomorrow to resume his duties as the mayor of that municipality. Of course, now there are 2 councillors that are facing murder charges. They are currently behind bars after they were denied bail. They've been behind bars now for about 3 months. And so this decision now will apply to them, as well as, of course, the mayor of Newcastle, Dr. Ntuthuko Mahlaba, who also appeared on charges of murder. His case, though, goes back to court on Monday for a formal bail application. But for now, the ANC is treating his matter as one of those where a decision has to be taken, and they will wait a decision by the court on Monday. If the state continues with that case, he will then too also be asked to step aside. The ANC, Mahendra, is going to be meeting with these members concerned, making them aware of the decision that the party has taken. But they have said that they will be requesting for them to voluntarily step down from their positions, failing which then the party will then have to act and remove them from their positions. Their concern, Mahendra, they're saying, is the reputation that the reputation of the party. They have been under pressure as well from within the organization and the general public, saying that it's time for the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal to take action. There's been far too many leaders who have been killed in this province, and there has been nothing that has been done by the ANC. And this is the ANC today saying, Mahendra, that it is time for them to take action, and this is the only decision that they felt was necessary for them to take at this point. Mahendra.
Ayanda, how does this announcement affect the party's list in the province?
I beg your pardon, Mahendra, if you could please repeat the question.
How does this announcement affect the party's list in the province? Does it impact on the list at all?
It would not affect or impact on the list, Mahendra, because there was only Mr. Mhlongo Ndobe, who was number 3 on the party's list for the provincial deployments. None of the other who are currently accused in serious matters are on the party's list, and they've already now said that the case of Mr. Ndobe he's now somewhat cleared. His name will remain on the party's list, and he will then, if come the elections, he will be deployed to the provincial parliament as a member. So it only will touch the 2 councillors as well as the mayor, but he was also not on the party's list.
Will this announcement not affect unity in the party in the province?
Mahendra, that's a very important question, and I'll just maybe take you and our viewers back to the scenes outside the Mzumkhulu Magistrates Court, where the ANC there is divided. And this is a question that I posed to the leadership of the ANC, that the tensions on the ground, the members are now divided over these cases, because you have one group that will be supporting, and in that instant it was the Mayor Ndobe, and others who were against him. And we just picked up on the tensions that were in Mzumkhulu. And as you know, that the ANC, particularly in this province, considering the rough period that it's come through, Mahendra, has been speaking about bringing about unity and working on restoring peace and renewal in this province. And so they have admitted to the fact that they are seriously concerned about what these cases and this decision is going to have on its members. But this is a decision they've said they're going to be going all out to communicate to their members, saying that they have to put the image, they have to put the integrity and the reputation of the ANC before anything else. And it's critical for them to take action. And this is the type of action that they feel is necessary at this point, Mahendra. But it's still going to be quite a long road for the ANC. We still don't know whether or not the three concerned are going to accept this decision. Mahendra, they might as well not accept this decision and stick on the fact that in South Africa we know an accused is innocent until they are proven guilty. And the other question that we pose to the leadership is, we've seen what happened in the case of Mr. Ndobe, where the charges are withdrawn. What if they take such a decision only to find that a matter is then withdrawn against that particular individual who they had asked to step aside? What will that mean for the party? And they're saying that they'll have to get to that, basically cross that bridge when they get there. But immediately for them is that they want to see, they have to take this decision because the reputation of the party is at line.
Well, thank you very much indeed, Ayanda. We'll have to leave it there. That was our reporter, Ayanda Mhlongo, reporting to us live from Durban.